right, Shaun of the Dead. It's time. Everything is on noon. You can see that second row of potentiometers here, which are the outward manifestations of the mods. But we have some really tasty tones inside of this thing now. You're going to be tweaking, my friend.
What year is it?
Previously on Forgotten Gear Restorations. All right, everything's on noon. Tune, but this thing is so dynamic at the guitar, dude. Love it. Let me tune her up. And then again, apologies for my really bland and repetitive playing. I just can't do anything anymore. I can't show any sort of lead work. But oh well, man, we'll get there again someday. Just have some little injuries to overcome. Oh, that doesn't work.